your home is where life happens. You work hard to make it perfect and to keep it all running smooth, but you don't need to do it alone. That's what we're here for. Introducing Sears Home Advantage, a free membership that gives you access to a new level of home service, priority customer support, trusted service from experienced pros, incredible inside tips and tricks from industry experts, and special member discounts worth thousands in savings on things like Kenmore appliances, maintenance and tune-ups, home improvement, thousands of DIY parts, and full coverage home warranty. Plus, let's not forget about the endless rewards members get through Shop Your Way. So sign up today at SearsHomeAdvantage.com and discover how rewarding being a member can be.